packing like a bunch of first-year rookies.
Which, technically, we are.
I don't know if anyone will be left untainted by Zurg's evil to receive this last chapter.
Did I sit on another button?
Shh, it's Buzz.
As I go to my doom,
Doom?
I pause to pay tribute to 3 of the best and the brightest to ever come out of Star Command.
That's me and 2 others.
I have taken a one-man stand against darkness and depravity, and I have failed. I was wrong.
Keep rolling. This is priceless.
Perhaps if I had taken a new partner, or 2, or 3.
Hot rockets! Did you hear that?
He needs us.
He actually admits he needs us.
We're coming by!
Buzz Lightyear. Over and out.
Target Buzz Lightyear.
Okie doke, you're the evil emperor. Mega Ray! Mega ready!
Do it.
Hot rockets!
See, this is where metal arms come in handy. I don't want to show off, but when you have to hold a heavy guy like
Darkmatter! Kill Lightyear!
Have you blown a circuit?
Aw, stung by your own hornet, huh?
Sorry!
Target the planet of widows and orphans!
You fiend!
There he is!
I knew that would get him. Your puny Star Command laser is pathetic! Let me show you a real weapon!
Huh, nice shot.
The key is to not pull the trigger, or squeeze it.
janitor driving.
Buzz is hit.
Rookies.
Hey, isn't that Buzz's dead partner?
Eject!
Aren't you the janitor?
Yep.
Oh, this is gonna be great for my rep.
Mira, Booster, Exarch, can anybody read me? Do you copy? I can't make it in time. It's up to you now. Good luck!
Give it up, Lightyear. I win.
Evil never wins. Afraid of the dark, Zurg?
Not today, Zurg. Evil Emperor Zurg, by the authority of Star Command.
Section 5, subsection Zeta. That's the one about the evil emperor.
You are under arrest.
Like I said, evil never wins.
Firing!
You failed, Lightyear! With that final blast, I have enslaved every free world in the Galactic Alliance. Wherever you go in the universe, you will hear my voice mocking you. Evil rules!
We're not done yet. Booster, Exarch, get up top and take Warp into custody. Mira, you're with me.